Hello everyone, I'm Saurabh Shishidharan, working as Customer Success Manager for ARC Advocacy Group India. In this session, I'll be joining with Mr. Santosh Kumar to discuss on his published study, Solar Farm Monitoring Control and System. As mentioned in my previous videos, we will cover the context like scope of the report, leading suppliers, key strategies, factors, etc. So let me welcome Santosh to join the session. Hi Santosh.
Hi, Saurabh. Thank you for the introduction. My name is Santosh, and I'm from ARC Advisory Group as a research analyst, and I'd be happy to do the briefings for this studies.
Thank you, Santosh. So to you, my first question is to know about the scope of this market analysis report.
Sure, Saurabh. So the scope of this market analysis report is to serve as a planning guide for the current product and service providers, and as well as the companies who are trying to enter into the utility scale photovoltaic, solar farm monitoring and control systems marketplace. So the report also provides the strategic information for the industry executives responsible for planning, marketing, sales, as well as the development of their company offerings. Our analysis of the report as well as cover the hardware, the software, as well as the service revenues. And some of the components that we are covering in this report would be solar inverters, data acquisition systems, string monitoring units, and the other hardware as well. So this would be the scope of the report. So,
Thank you, Santosh. Would you like to list out few suppliers from your study?
thank you for the question, Saurabh. Some of the suppliers in the market are Jinglong, Goodwe, Huawei Technologies, and few other suppliers are also there. Thank you.
Right. Santosh, would you like to, add if there are any key contributors from this report?
Yes, Saurav. So there are several factors driving the growth of the SMC market. So the first would be the increasing adoption of IoT and AI technologies in solar farm monitoring. And so this is improving the efficiency and performance of the solar installation. These technologies enable real-time data acquisition, predictive maintenance, and optimized energy management to enhance the system reliability. So the other major contributing factor would be the global increase in renewable energy capacity. So this is driven by worldwide commitment to reduce the carbon emission as well as the transition to cleaner energy, which is fueling the demand of the photovoltaic systems. So these are the growth contributing factors.
Right. Thank you, Santosh, for briefing on that. Are there any inhibiting factors also?
Yes, Saurabh. So the major obstacle is the lack of transmission and the grid integration, as the rapid expansion of solar PV system can strain the existing grid infrastructure. So the other challenge would be the high initial cost to set up solar PV systems. Despite the cost of electricity generated by solar PV has fallen down since the last decade, the solar power is expected to become the most affordable electricity generation method by 2030. With the decreasing cost by 2050, the upfront investment can still deter with potential investors. The last inhibiting factor would be the delays and cancellation in the large scale projects. So due to this, there is a shift towards adoption of solar PV systems. So these are some of the present challenges the SMC market must navigate as it grows.
Right. Santosh, would you like to add any more key trends or points to this?
So some of the key trends here is the rising global demand for renewable energy. This is fueled by commitment to reduce the carbon emission and is creating a favorable environment for the expansion of solar voltaic systems. As well as the other key trend would be the technological innovation, particularly in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and cloud-based platforms. So this is enhancing the efficiency and the capability of the monitoring systems. So, however, the rapid solar PV expansion poses grid integration challenges. So it also opens up new opportunity for innovations and diversification within the industry. So these are some of the trends I would like to share.
Thank you, Santosh, for answering that. Lastly, or the most important question is to know how your study be benefited to our buyers, and buyers as in the suppliers, asset owners, and service providers. So, can you explain that also?
Sure, Saurabh. So the study offers valuable benefits to the suppliers, asset owners, as well as the service providers. The suppliers can gain strategic insights into the market dynamics, competitive landscapes, as well as the growth opportunities, along with quantitative assessments and forecasts to guide the product development and market positioning. For asset owners, they'll be benefited from the detailed analysis of the market trends, technological advancements, as well as the cost reduction strategies. So this would help them to optimize performance and manage energy storage and ensure efficient grid integration as well. Lastly, for the service providers, the study highlights the importance of sophisticated monitoring solutions, including AI, machine learning, cloud-based platforms, enabling them to enhance their service offerings and stay ahead of the competition. So this is how the buyers would be benefited from the study.
Well, thank you, Santosh, for addressing all inquiries regarding the study solar farm monitoring and control system. Your insight will help our customer to get a comprehensive understanding of the report as well. To our audience, for additional information, I request you to visit www.arcweb.com. You can also fill up the contact form to reach to us directly. Once again, thank you, Santosh, and thanks for the audience for watching the video.